guys, and right now is part 2 of my airsoft collection. Well, I'm not really showing airsoft in this. I'm showing Nerf guns. These aren't the only Nerf guns that I have. I just couldn't bring them all down here because I have too many. And first one, the strong arm fires really far. Yeah, I know you heard that dog. I have a Minecraft sword. You guys know that I play Minecraft. Like that. Smack the bullets. A shotgun. You know the pretty cool part about it? You can do this. I have this Nerf zombie crossbow. That's my plastic knife. You can fit it like in your pockets. Like this. The pilot ray. Or you could be an assassin and use it. So that's pretty much the end of the video, guys. I hope you liked it. And make sure to subscribe. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Samuel out.